All right, it is 8:49. Let's get over to Jeff Forgeron with more on your forecast.
Well, if you're wondering what she meant by that eagles need to find thermals for hunting, if you've ever ridden on an airplane and you hit turbulence and it bounces up and down, that's because warm air rises. It creates these invisible circulations that we ride over, but these eagles are also using them to kind of soar in the air.
Absolutely.
So
it
really
helps them keep them airborne longer because those are big, heavy birds, and they need that help of the airlift to float over and look for prey down on the ground.
Absolutely, and they're so impressive. We're so lucky to have so many eagles around here. Here's a live look now from our Riverview Community Bank camera. Blue skies. The clouds are mostly clearing out at this point. We're in the low 60s in Portland, also in the low 60s in Vancouver. A very similar view from our Maryhill Tasting Room and Bistro camera along the Vancouver waterfront. So no surprise, temperatures are rising now. We're mostly in the low 60s. A few spots are hanging on to the mid to upper 50s. It's still beautiful out there to get a little bit of morning exercise in. Out along the coast, it's a bit of a different story. We have cloudy skies out there from our Chinook Winds Casino Resort camera in Lincoln City. It's 59 degrees. We've been tracking patchy drizzle down to the south, but more significant drizzle up to the north. You can see the wet conditions out there at our Shiloh Winds camera in Seaside, where we're at 56 degrees. So patchy drizzle will continue through part of the morning. I think we're going to gradually break into sunshine this afternoon with temperatures ranging between the low 60s to maybe the upper 60s around Tillamook. In the valleys, I think up to the north, it's going to be a bit cooler. Highs should range between the upper 70s to the low to mid 80s. We're kicking off the morning with sunshine down to the south, and the clouds are kind of clearing up off to the north. As far as temperatures go in the Columbia River Gorge, we'll range between the upper 70s to the upper 80s by the end of the afternoon, and the wind will not be too gusty today. Up on Mount Hood, it's going to be a beautiful day if you're going to be maybe heading out to the Adventure Park at Ski Bowl or doing any hiking. Expect highs to be in the 60s and 70s, and we are expecting quite a bit of smoke, especially during the back half of today, as that bootleg fire will likely take off in south central Oregon, sending smoke to the northeast. Temperatures will max out in the upper 80s to low 90s, so it will be a little bit hazy out there, especially the farther east you go. It'll be definitely smoky in the sky. 7-day forecast shows a patchy marine layer through tomorrow. Temperatures are going to be warming up, though, over the next couple of days. Mid to upper 80s Sunday, mid 80s Monday, and then we see that patchy marine layer return Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, potentially dropping us into the low 80s. But we don't have any big changes coming to our weather pattern. Temperatures stay rather steady. But one thing that we could use right now is rainfall. I don't see any significant rain, nor do I see any significant heat coming anytime soon. Deb, back to you.